Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into your Tonkeeper account. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already downloaded the Tonkeeper wallet app. If you haven't, you can easily download it from the Play Store or App Store. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Now, in order to log into your Tonkeeper account, you must have a backup of recovery phrase from your previously created account. Only then you'll be able to log into your account. So over here, you can see import existing wallet option. Tap on it. Select existing wallet option. Over here, you need to enter the recovery phrase that you backed up from your account before. Enter all the phrase in same order. Once you enter all of the recovery phrases, now you need to create a new passcode for your account. Re-enter it again. And there you go. You've successfully logged into your Tonkeeper wallet account. You can now explore the app and use its features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.